Hello everyone, again welcome back to chapter number 5 of class 6 mathematics, that is understanding elementary shapes. And the topic we are going to discuss in this video is types of quadrilateral. So first come to quadrilaterals. A polygon with 4 sides is known as quadrilateral. Okay, look at here. So this is the quadrilateral as it is made up of 4 line segment, and we have discussed about this quadrilateral in chapter number 4, and for this you can check the video also. Okay, suppose I am taking the name as A, B, C, D. So here the sides are A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A. There are 4 sides in this polygon and 4 vertex are there, that is A, B, C and D. These are the 4 vertex, and the 4 angle are angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Okay, so in quadrilateral it has 4 vertex, 4 sides and 4 angles also. So now come to types of quadrilaterals. So first we'll discuss about rectangle. Look at this one. So in this figure it has two opposite pair. Okay, sorry, two pair of opposite sides are equal. Okay, so in this figure this side are opposite and another one is these two sides are opposite to each other. Clear? So this pair of sides are equal always. Okay, in rectangle pair of opposite sides are equal always. Second point is opposite sides are parallel to each other. Parallel means when the gap between any two line is equal. So here this line and this line are parallel to each other and these two are parallel to each other. Okay, opposite sides mean front side. Okay, so next third point is all the angles are right angle. Okay, if we measure each angle, that is each corner, then we will get each angle is 90 degree. Okay, so all these angles are right angle mean 90 degree, so all angles are 90 degree. Clear? So the 3 points are opposite pair of sides are equal and parallel. Next thing is all angle are right angle, that is 90 degree. Next, second move to square. Our second shape is square. So this is the shapes of square. So what are the property? All the 4 sides are equal. In square all the 4 sides are equal. Okay, and opposite sides are parallel to each other. Okay, in this opposite sides are parallel to each other, these two are opposite to each other and these two are opposite to each other. So opposite sides are parallel, same as rectangle, and all 4 sides are equal. In rectangle opposite sides are equal. Okay, but in square all the 4 sides are equal. One more thing is all angle are right angle, same as rectangle, all angle are right angle. If you measure the corner, okay, then we will get this one as right angle, that is 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree. Okay everyone, next one, another one is parallelogram. Okay, look at this one. This is the shape of parallelogram. In this it has two opposite pair of sides are equal. Okay, same as rectangle, the opposite pair of sides are equal and opposite angle are also equal. Okay, I have written here opposite angle are equal. In this figure opposite angle are equal. Okay, pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other and opposite angle are equal. Okay, in rectangle opposite angle is 90 degree, but in parallelogram opposite angle are equal. Clear everyone? And we can say that square and rectangle are also a type of parallelogram. Okay, it is a type of parallelogram, but we can say that a square is a parallelogram. Okay, but a parallelogram not a square. Same, a rectangle is a parallelogram, but a parallelogram not a rectangle. Okay, next thing is rhombus. This is the shape of rhombus. Okay, so what are the property? All the 4 sides are equal, same as square, and opposite sides are parallel to each other and opposite angle are equal. Okay, opposite angle are equal. Okay, all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel to each other. These two are opposite to each other, so opposite sides are parallel to each other and all the 4 sides are equal and opposite angle are also equal. And one more thing is there here, diagonal. Diagonal means if you join the non-consecutive vertex. Suppose I am joining this line, this line and this line. Okay, so these two lines are diagonal and diagonal bisect each other. Okay, diagonal bisect each other in the middle of the rhombus. Okay, and that is known as, suppose I am taking this point as O, and here it make an angle of 90 degree, that is right angle. Okay, so when the diagonal bisect each other in the rhombus, they are forming an angle of 90 degree, that is right angle. So here there are 4 angles they are forming, and all angle are 90 degree. Okay everyone, next move to last case, that is trapezium. Next type is trapezium. So this is the shape of trapezium. Here one pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other. Okay, so in this one pair, these pair are parallel to each other, and other pair we don't know. Okay, they may be, okay, only one pair is parallel to each other. Clear? And some more properties are there, that is here opposite angle. Okay, opposite angle are not equal. Then one more thing, these two sides, okay, another two sides may be equal or may not be equal. Clear? That's all. Thank you.